Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima key fob battery. This is a simple process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier and help you keep track of all the tiny components. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open up the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side with the plus sign. Use your small screwdriver to gently lift out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together. You should hear a satisfying click as they snap into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Give it a quick once-over to confirm it's sealed properly. Finally, head to your vehicle and test the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.